Girl, did they even do anything? You know, I don't even know the vision anymore. Like, what it do, y'all? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's me, Daylux, and I'm here with this wig install from Icy Hair. If you haven't, you can check out my unboxing video, get my raw reaction, more details on this unit. But y'all, when I say realistic install, I mean that. I installed this wig 2 times, flat iron. I tried curling it. A lot happened. But if you want to see how I got here, just keep watching. All right, and also comment some wig websites for me to try. So let's go. I'm running behind.
And let me just say this: when it comes to a drink, I'ma have it.
I think I messed this wig up. Honestly, I don't know. So the wig came like curly. I, you know, bleached the knots, washed it, all of that, and then I blow dried it to remove the curls. Then I kind of tried to like wand curl it. I'm gonna put the wig on first, and then I'm gonna basically try to like, I'm gonna cut the sides off. So is it straight? That's like my big problem. It's like making sure. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. I ain't gonna overthink it. I ain't gonna overthink it, y'all. One thing with me, I'm gonna move like I know what I'm doing. And watch, something gonna happen and I'm gonna be like, yo, what the hell? Yeah, I think I want it right here. My ear is here. Girl, come on. Dang. Okay. Ah! Okay, relax. It's only been 4. Okay, relax, relax. It's just like, am I blind? Like, I'm trying to, I know I don't have my contact in, but dang. Oh, it's only, okay. Let me see. Oh, let's see. Yeah, let's go like that. And I'm gonna cut off extra. I'm gonna cut this off so I can see. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that off. Ooh. And this is like the part I haven't curled because my attention span is like gone. Okay. And I was like, you know what? I think I can curl that like with it on my head because I didn't know. I'm not that professional. Like, I don't know how to really like professionally style a wig on a wig head. Baby, I gotta put it on me. I think I'm gonna go ahead and figure out where I'm gonna glue it, and then I'm gonna put the little thing on, let it sit, and then I'm gonna cut the lace. Let's see. So then I'm trying this Wander Lace Wander. Why were you trying to be all like cute? Like, I'm using, you can't even speak, Wonder Lace Bond, bro, Eben, whatever. This was $6.99 from the beauty supply. First time trying it. I usually be using this, but I was like, let me try something different. So I'm gonna see what this is doing, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Let's see. Yeah. And one thing about me, I don't care about my edges. Like, I always shave it off, and it just grows right back. Like, okay, I think that's cool. Oh, it dries so fast drying. Whoa, sweat resist. Woo! Baby, I need that. So now I got the wig. Let's go ahead and add some makeup. It's so sticky. And you can tell it's sticky because when I spray, it's not even like dripping. Is it too far down? Oh my goodness, I think it is. I cannot tell. Where is my forehead at? Dang. And it's like, I got a big forehead, but I don't really like covering up my forehead. I'm gonna sit it here. I don't have my blow dryer. So now, ooh, hold up before it moves. I'm gonna take this. Oh, snap, ow, what the hell? What the heck? Y'all, is it even looking cute? I don't know. Let me try to do something. I need to move my wand. Let me try to figure out the front of my hair. I'm gonna just curl. I should have left it straight probably, huh? Okay, let's see. Which way do I curl? This way, right? Wait, no. Yeah, oh my goodness. Oh no. Like this? Oh, okay, whoa. I did not think this through. I can curl with it straight up, right? Yeah, I can. Girl, I have not. Cause can I go up with it or is that gonna look weird? I mean, we about to see. I feel like I need to turn it upside down. Yeah, like what the heck? Does that look bad? I don't know, I can't. What? Somebody, oh man, this is going, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not curling right. I don't know how to hold it upside down though. Okay. It's not looking right. I don't know how to curl. Let me do this side. Oh, I don't want to do this no more. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I think on this side, I'm gonna hot comb it. Okay, on this side, did I eat today? On this side, I'm a hot comb. Girl, did they even do anything? You know, I don't even know the vision anymore. Like, okay, so we're gonna grab this hair. Yes, cool. Ooh, do not fall on my leg. Okay, what the heck? Okay, so we're gonna go like this. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, we're gonna shut the door, and that's it. Okay, see, that looks okay. I should have did all of this off my head and then tried to fix it on my head compared to like, you know. And I didn't flat iron. I flat ironed the back like halfway, right? And I don't even know what kind of part I'm doing. I don't even know if this is gonna look stupid. I don't even know what style this is. I can't believe I did this to this wig. Like, I mean, hopefully it bounces back. This is an experiment at the end of the day. Like, look at the unboxing. You'll see what this wig was originally. And you will definitely see what I'm doing now. And I'm gonna come back. Like, I'm gonna try to wet it. I'll probably wet it today. I have to figure this out. Cause y'all, do you think I need to, I'm doing something wrong. I think that looks good. Yeah, because I'm trying to curl it back. And then, but this looks frizzy. So give me a minute. Y'all, what? Look at it. Why did I do this? What is going on with the front of my head? Huh? I don't know how to curl it, and I don't like what's going on. Let me try to fix it. That's all I can do. Like, I feel like I want to, you know, take it to the side like this. But first off, this is not even glued. I need help. This is going so bad. Look at the hair. Like, I don't even know how to curl it with this freaking wand. Like, that's the issue. I don't even know why I did this. Yeah, I don't understand what's going on. I made decisions, okay? Clearly wrong ones. I came into this very optimistic. I don't know why. For some reason, I just won't learn my lesson. Now the look I'm going for is kind of like Molly May. Yeah, I'm gonna go like this. I think that would be cute. Just like that. Then I'm gonna go here. This stuff dries so fast. So honestly, what I'm thinking, I'm about to spray it just on my comb. I mean, the wig is on my head. We gonna come back. I'm gonna do some touch-ups. I'm gonna see what I can do with these curls, because I gotta go. And I don't know what I got going on. This is looking, I mean, it's not bad, and the hair still feels nice and soft. I just gotta see if I can personally, you know, rock with it, but fingers crossed. All right, y'all, I'm back. The previous footage is from 2 days ago. When I tell y'all this is a realistic wig install, I mean just that. I did a whole lot. The first time me installing this wig, I was rushing. I had a lot going on. The way I kind of ended the first one is how I left out. Like, the hair was really big and it just looked a little frizzy. By the end of the night, I did end up wetting it, but I took it off just because it wasn't a vibe. You know, I just needed to reset and start over. Also, I was noticing I had like a little like white cast. I feel like because I used powdered makeup and this is my first time using this adhesive. And when I tell you it's Extreme Firm Hold Supreme, it means that. So I ended up stopping and I picked up some tinted lace spray in dark brown. First time trying this. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. I'm gonna try to hot comb the front. We gonna wet it. Let's go, y'all. I can say the hair is still extremely soft. It bounced back. The only thing I'm not caring for is how much hair it is. Like, I think this is 180 density. I read somebody's comment today, actually, and they were saying with their curly hair, they like it to be like thin, like 130, which I thought was kind of weird. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, yeah. But then again, curly hair be shedding, so we gonna see, y'all. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is spray. Okay. Whoa, that definitely tinted it. Yeah, I like, whoa, that's my color. Yeah. Okay, so what I can say about this Swiss lace is that it cleans extremely easy. Like, I don't have to scrub too much. It's thinner, obviously, than regular lace. I'm feeling it. Let's see what these edges are looking like. Ah! I see a little bit of my edges is coming up. I'm gonna spray some onto the comb. Yeah. Bear with me. It's been a few hours since me in a black sweater, and I had to go. I had to go again. But this is me back. So this is how it's looking, and I love it. And I actually got a compliment literally like an hour ago on my hair. It's like, oh, I really like your hair. So all I'm gonna do is kind of wet it. And the hair is so soft. I noticed when I bleached the knots a little bit, it was kind of shedding. I was like, oh, this is gonna be a problem. But no, it wasn't. And I'm only wetting like the ends a little bit. And this part is just like a tad bit damp. And it still looks nice. And I'm gonna just take a little bit of foam. All right, y'all, this is the final look. Thank you for rocking with your girl. I had a lot going on in this video. It don't get no realer than this. And the hair, the curls bounce back. It's still soft. It's stiff, no wear. Please comment some more wig websites for me to try. And thank you once again. I appreciate you. I love you. And I hope to see you in my next video.